How you feeling?
I've been okay, just pain around my legs.
Pain in your legs. What part of your legs?
Been going all around and all my toes.
Say it again.
Been going all around and a bit gone to my toes here.
Alhamdulillah. You know what that means. Good, yeah?
Yeah, and I think one left the other day.
Alhamdulillah.
I left to Rukia.
Pardon?
I left to Rukia.
What, they take a shahada or just left?
I just left
How do you know it left?
because that pain was very intense. And then I told myself, if you're going to leave, leave. And then I felt it just going out, and then it just became very light.
Okay, mashallah. Okay, so see how he's described the jinn leaving him? Now, I'm not supposed to put doubt in him that he didn't leave or he might not left. Did you notice that? And Jazakallah khair for sharing. So the thing is, we have an issue, right? An interest issue. Like, why would I say to him he didn't leave or he might not have left? Why would I do that? That's not beneficial. Even if he didn't leave, I wouldn't make that comment. Like, I'm not putting doubts on you, but that's not something that you'd say. So now, if that's the case, when you experience something leaving you at home, how are you going to apply that when you're in a session? It should be the same. Does that make sense? It shouldn't be now the client is going to say, well, yeah, I felt something leave, but I'm not too sure. Did it leave? Did you understand? Now, do you see if we turn the tables around, it should be both the same. You're looking at me like you're confused. Right. Let's say, for instance, you have 5, 6, 7, 10, 8, 9, 10. So the first one left. Then you get the same reaction because of your unexperience. Now you start putting doubts in yourself, and you put doubts in what? Daraqi. And then what are you going to achieve doing that? You haven't achieved anything. You've been defeated. It's not just think positive, it's actually have experience. Know what you're doing. Right? Learn. Okay, what did you feel when I was reading?
I felt like my fingers feeling buzzy.
Your fingers are feeling fuzzy.
Yeah.
Okay, what did we say about fingers?
When they're leaving.
Good, well done. So how should that make you feeling?
More
Motivated, doing more, encouraged. And does that apply only to this in these sessions?
Of course not.
No, it applies home too. So if I was only applying to this session, I'd be a charlatan. If I said, no, the jinns only leave when I tell it to leave, I'm what? A charlatan. A'udhu billah.
But I'm getting like some stuff on my head as well.
But what?
A bit heavy.
There's no but. It's living a few things, alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
I'm joking. I'm trying to stay positive. Say we're fighting. Stay on that direction.